like to take a moment and thank my boss for keeping the doors open for me on Saturdays, give me a hand with my fenders, forming them up, laying them out. And yeah, guys, be a real G. Hit the subscribe button. You know, show G-Boyz support. I made this video building this trailer. I never built a trailer before, and it's for my new toy that's coming. So stay tuned and let's get to the video. Building a trailer for myself out of aluminum. I've welded aluminum maybe 3 or 4 times in my career of welding. So I don't have experience in aluminum welding. What I'm using is 1/8 wall 2x2 aluminum tubing, square tubing, and 3/16 sheet of aluminum. The trailer is going to be 5x7. See how it comes out. Let's get to it. Like I said, I'm not an aluminum welder. I work with stainless. Like I said, 3 or 4 times I've welded aluminum. And I find the machines are harder to set up than anything, than welding. Yeah, I know I'm probably gonna get hacked in the comments. Why didn't I clean it? Why didn't I do this? The hardest part is honestly setting up the machine, trying out different things. Then I started practicing on this. So different temperatures. But like I said, this is really honestly a big project for me to do in aluminum, and I'm not an aluminum welder, but I like it. Seems like aluminum is pretty awesome to work with. I like to get better at it. What's going on, guys? Day 3 of the trailer build. I've done 2 Saturdays in a row back to back. Today's Friday. We finish at 1 o'clock, and my boss is kind enough to, you know, stay here and keep the doors open for me as I build this trailer. But I'm going to give you guys a 25-cent tour on the shop that I work for. It's a custom stainless steel shop. We build for hospitals and laboratories, cabinets, countertops, sinks, leg frames, fume hoods, etc. But let me take you for a tour. It's a Bystronic 2-year-old laser machine. So this is the nest. The programmers put this in a nest where it's cutting. See, that's where it's cutting right now. one that just got cut comes up, and then you unload it. This is a 4-year-old brake press. So these are the cabinets we build for the laboratories and hospitals. Then we create them and get shipped out. These are the countertops. We weld the sink right into the countertop, so seamless. Then it gets polished. All the polishers are over here. All the welders are on this side. This is where they put the channel core in the bottom of the countertops. This is the spot welder we use for mechanical joins. So now I'm on to the next part. Trailer hitch assembly. Gotta weld this on. Need to cap this. I gotta cap this. This is for my tail lights. So it's already threaded. Gotta put these on. These are gonna be my tail lights. And then I have a rubber grommet that goes in here to run the wiring through here. So now the wiring can come through here, this one, and then up through the center. So the wires are all tucked and not getting pinched or chewed by mice. It's coming together. I'm really happy on how it's turning out. I'm put you on time lapse now. So guys, I'm 45 hours in. I didn't want to bore you guys with like recording the whole entire thing. I'm going to give you a run around on what I've done. Starting up with grade 8 bolts, zinc coating. All the wiring is tucked inside the frame. It's all the way through. I did a torsion bar setup instead of leaf springs. It's a much cleaner look, and I don't want to put shackles and everything, so it's a cleaner look. I made these removable ramps. You just pull the pin, slides out, you know, and hang them on the back of the trailer, slide it back in, pin, that's it. The grommets to cover the holes for fishing all the wires. LED tail lights, LED markers. That's how I fished most of the wire. 1/4-inch plate. 3/16 wall tubing. So now I have removable walls that slide in here. That's why there's holes here. Slides in here. I put the bolt through so I can take the walls off. So far, I've been really happy the way it turned out. This is my biggest aluminum job I've ever done. 45 hours took me to get to this point. A lot of welding, and like I welded the whole plate, 316 plate, to the tubing all the way around. That's 28 feet of welding all the way around the trailer. But yeah. And that's it. I'll show you more when I flip it over. So boys, this is the end result. It looks so sweet. I'm proud of myself. Fenders. It looks, I used the Orbit sander on here and a grinder because it was so slippery. Now it has, it's textured for grip. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'll show you how the walls work. So I made 4 walls. Just remove out this. They have a rib nut inside. Right here, a rib nut. Then I have a hole here. And just slide these in, the 4 walls. Put the bolt through here. That's it. And then I put continue the 4 walls, wrap around here with another rib nuts, and then I can carry soil, whatever, dirt, gravel, whatever I want. It's an all-purpose trailer. Leave me a comment below what you think of aluminum trailer. Getting ready for my new toy. Let's pull out the ramps. That's it. Come up the side. They fit amazing underneath there. They look a little bit short, but it's good enough to get something up there, that's for sure. I couldn't have any longer ones because they only have 29 inches from here to the center. So that's why I made them like that. This is actually, I didn't make these. These are, I bought. I cut them down and I added a hook on there. Just so it holds on better. No matter where it goes. That's it. I hope you like the trailer. Leave the comments below. Tell me what you think. Your boy Cooksters out.